everyone, today I'll show you how to create a smooth vertical auto scroll animation in Figma, perfect for showcasing content in a clean, modern way. Let's get started. First, draw a rectangle with a width of 200 and a height of 270. And set the corner radius to 100 to have a fully rounded corners. Duplicate it so you have 8 of them in total. Use the Unsplash plugin to fill them with portrait photos. Then, remove the fill color from each of them. Select all of them, add a stroke, set the weight to 8, and change it to a gradient. I'm going to choose these colors. Alright, now select this column, set it to Auto Layout, and rename it to Inner 1. Then hit Enter on the keyboard to select all the photos in the frame. Copy them and paste them. Now, as you can see, we have two sets of photos in this frame. Right-click on it and select Frame Selection. By doing this, we put the auto layout into a new frame. Rename it to Outer 1. As the height of our desktop frame is 1024, we are going to set the height of outer 1 to 1024. If I check clip content here, you'll see that only these 3 and this half image are visible, and it fits inside the desktop frame. Okay, duplicate outer 1 and rename it to outer 2. Hit Enter on the keyboard to select the inner frame. Then, shift it up by holding Shift and the up arrow key to reach the second image of this gorgeous man. Use a guideline to make sure they are perfectly aligned. Okay, they are aligned now, great. If I select both of them and uncheck clip content, it should look something like this. Check clip content again and click on Create Component Set. Go to the Prototype tab and connect the outer 1 frame to outer 2. Set the trigger to After Delay, delay amount to 1 millisecond, animation to Smart Animate, curve to Linear, and duration to 10,000 milliseconds. Then, connect outer 2 to outer 1. Set the trigger to After Delay and the delay amount to 1 millisecond, but this time set the animation to Instant. Get an instance from the component and let's check it out. Okay, it works. It looks better if we change the background to black. Okay, let's move on to the second column. This one should move in the opposite direction. We'll follow the same process. But this time, after setting outer 3 height to 1024, we'll align it to the bottom instead of the top. and when shifting outer 4, we should shift it down this time. When you check clip content, it should look like this. Okay, create a component set and prototype them the same way as the previous ones. Get an instance and place it next to the first one. And check them out. Perfect. Since our webpage can have more sections and be scrollable, it won't be eye-catching if we leave the design like this. So to create a smooth faded edge, let's bring in a rectangle and place it at the bottom. Set a black gradient on it to blend into the background. You can also duplicate it for the top if you want, but you'll need to rotate it. Now we have a vertical endless auto scroll animation in Figma with smooth edges. Isn't that great? Here is a more complete version of a website with vertical auto scroll animation. If you feel the scroll speed is too fast, check out the video I've linked in the top right corner. In that video, I fully explain how to adjust the speed and make it slower. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. And please make me happy by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.